A humidifier is a very good appliance that you can get yourself, especially during this harsh winter weather. You can purchase it from Amazon, you can purchase it from some online stores. They are available. So get yourself one, especially if you have young children. Thanks so much for joining me once again, and welcome back to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today I'm going to be talking about the benefits of humidifiers and how best you can clean your humidifier so as to avoid any health disasters. In a couple of my recent videos, I mentioned the use of humidifiers, and I had people send me messages to ask questions about humidifiers. So today I'm going to be talking about some benefits of humidifiers, especially during this harsh winter weather, and how you can best clean your humidifier so as to avoid any health disasters. A humidifier is an electrical device or appliance that increases humidity in an enclosed room or a building. They add moisture to the air and prevent dryness that cause irritation in many parts of the body. Using a humidifier can help combat the harsh effects of winter weather. You know, winter can get brutal, and not only do you have snowy and windy days, but most likely your lips are chapped, your skin is itchy, and you've already been sick at least once from a viral or bacterial infection. At the moment, there's a lot of viruses around, and people are suffering from colds, flu, strep A infection, that is a bacterial infection. And there's so many things going on. People are coming into the pharmacy with dry skin, with chapped lips, and so many things. Winter can be a bit uncomfortable, but we still have to endure it. So there are ways around it that you can make yourself comfortable even through the harshness. While you can't do much about the snow or wind, using a humidifier can help combat the harsh effects of winter weather by adding moisture to the air in your home. Because winter air has low humidity, it can dry out your skin and mucous membranes, making your skin itchy, your throat scratchy, and sometimes your nose can bleed. This dry air may also aggravate sinus troubles or asthma and cause discomfort if you have a cold or cough. According to some medical experts, a humidifier is especially helpful for people with certain upper respiratory conditions like sinusitis or an asthma flare-up, or for skin conditions. You don't need to use a humidifier continuously throughout the winter, but if you have an upper respiratory infection, a cold, or a bout of extremely dry skin, you can use it until your symptoms go away. You know, some homes have a central humidifier that connects to the heating system. For those homes without a central humidifier, portable humidifiers are available in two main types, a cool mist one and a warm mist one. Both of these release moisture into the air. However, it is recommended that you choose a cool mist humidifier. A warm mist humidifier is a safety hazard, especially if you have children, because it can cause burns from the heated water. So now, how do you take care of your humidifier? No matter which type of humidifier you choose, it's crucial to properly clean and maintain it. If you don't, then you're opening yourself up to more health problems. Mold and bacteria can grow, and this will be released into the air. And to prevent this, you just have to follow the maintenance instructions that comes with your humidifier. After each use, drain the remaining water in the machine and wipe it dry. Clean it every 3 days with diluted bleach or peroxide, and scrape off any scale that has built up inside it. As long as you keep it clean, a humidifier can definitely help make you more comfortable during the winter. The following are some other recommendations for using and maintaining your humidifier. Number 1, use a hygrometer. A hygrometer is readily available at home improvement and electronic stores. This is used to measure the humidity in your home. An ideal humidity level is between 30 to 40%. If you discover moisture droplets on your window, then it means the air inside is too humid. Number 2, use distilled water instead of tap water in your humidifier to minimize the amount of white sediment that can form in the machine and get released into the air. Number 3, make sure the area around your humidifier is dry and that it's not leaking water. Number 4, use the bottle brush to clean the narrow parts of the humidifier and remove sediment. Number 5, if your humidifier has a filter, change it frequently to prevent bacteria and mold from growing in it. And number 6, after using your humidifier, prepare it for storage by cleaning it and drying it thoroughly. You may want to consider replacing your humidifier each season because scale can build up over time and become harder to clean thoroughly. If you use a humidifier more often, think about replacing it more often. I hope you have learned something new about humidifiers today. Humidifiers are a great appliance to have in your home, and as I said earlier, especially if you have young children, it can make your life indoors more comfortable and you can endure the winter much better. Do get yourself one. You can go online straight away and search for one that you can afford. It will make a big difference throughout this winter. As long as you keep it clean, it can definitely help make you more comfortable during this winter. Thank you so much for your time today. Please don't forget to hit on that subscribe button if you haven't yet subscribed, and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. You don't want to miss any of the videos that are coming. There's so many interesting topics I've got that I'm going to be sharing with you. Also, leave a comment in the comment section. I would love to know if you have a humidifier at home and how beneficial it's been to you. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.